your girl Renee, and I'm coming to you with another video. This video is going to be making some lemon pepper seasoning, because I don't know about you guys. I am still on the spice train, heading down them tracks, trying to get as much seasoning on my seasonings rack as I possibly can, because I am determined not to have to go to the store and buy any of those seasonings that they have at the grocery store. And another reason why I am making that lemon pepper seasoning is because I don't know about you guys, but if you have not heard about these lemon pepper wings that L&L Honeycomb Homestead did a video on, those wings look amazing. I said, oh no. Because I thought I was doing good doing my Coca-Cola wings. And then Miss Lovey rolled out with her lemon pepper wings recipe. And I was like, all right, I see you, girl. I'm going to come out and I'm going to make me some of them lemon pepper wings, because they look so good, you guys. So I went to the store and I picked up a bag of lemons, and I picked up a bag of kiwi. Oh, not kiwi, child. Limes. Because I'm going to dehydrate the peelings of it, as Lovey did in her video. So, girl, I'm following your lead. I'm coming right after you, because I want to have some of those delicious lemon pepper wings, baby. So let me get started by getting these lemons out of the bag, wash them up, and then we're going to start getting these things peeled. All right, guys, hang tough, and I'll be right back. Guys, I've got them all washed up. They're looking good, and just because they come in these mesh bags does not mean that they are all the way clean. Still take them out of there. Still give them a good wash so you can get all the dirt and all that stuff on there. Because you don't know what hands or who was touching those lemons or those limes before they even put them in the machine. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one of these lemons and I'm going to peel it. And I'm only going to want to get the yellow part. I don't want the white part, because the white part is the bitterest part of the lemon. So we want to stay away from the white, baby. Stay far away from the white. So let's get these cut. Let's get them peeled, and let's get them in the dehydrator. So I am going to take you on a journey with me as we peel one lemon and one lime together, and then I'll show you what we're going to do next. All right, Lovey, I hope I'm making you proud, girl, because I cannot wait for this lemon powder to be made, lemon pepper powder to be made, so I can make those lemon pepper wings. Just thinking about them just makes my tummy so happy. All right, let's get these lemons and limes peeled. Guys, so I'm going to take the lemon first, and I am just going to peel it. Going to try not to get any of the white. Our mission is yellow only. Yellow only. So see, I'm going to show you what my peel looks like. Once, see? You want to get as less of that white as you can. See, that's pretty good. And see how much of the white is left on there? That's what I want. So you got to take your time, go slow. You're not in a hurry, because we want that pure lemon flavor. Pure lemon flavor. Because, honey, if we get the white, our lemon pepper wings are going to taste bitter. And we ain't doing all this work to be eating some bitter lemon pepper wings. No. So let me finish peeling this one. And ooh, the aroma of this lemon, oh my goodness, is something else. So I'm going slow and steady wins the race. So I have like maybe 8 or 9 of these lemons I have to peel, but I'm gonna get it done. Then if you feel like you have too much of the white on there, just take your knife and see, you can just go over it and see how I've taken some of the white off. Just discard it to the side and keep on going, because we want the zest of the lemon, not the white. We want the zest. See? And that will help remove some of that white that is bitter, bitter, bitter. Just think of the white as bitter, bitter, bitter. No white, no white. We want the yellow, yellow, yellow. No white, no white. We want the yellow, yellow, yellow. And that's all you got to do. You got to put in the work in order to have something delicious. See, it takes no time. So I'm going to practically peel all these, and then I'm going to take my time, and I'm going to get all this white off of here. And then it'll look like this. And if you have a little bit of the white, it's okay. But you don't want to have all too much white, because what is white? Bitter, bitter, bitter. So see, that's what you want it to look like. So let's do this line here. Do it line, just a slow and steady. This lime is going to be smaller, so you might have more white because this lime is a little tougher. But I'm only going to do 2 of these limes. And I'm going to dehydrate. I've never dehydrated lime before. And you're probably saying, well, why don't you use like a potato peeler? Because you do a potato peeler, I think you would get more of the white, the bitter part of the lime than we need. Because these limes are like tougher. See how I'm struggling with this lime? This lime is fighting back. But you know what? I'm going to win. Because I think the lime is going to just add some color to it, to the lemon pepper, to give it, you know, some dimension, and also making it pleasing to the eye. So I'm going to finish this. You see how this lime, I have more of the white on there, so I'm going to have to do the same thing that I did with the lemon, and I'm going to have to apply some pressure on this one, because this little peeling boy, it ain't no joke. That's all right. You don't know me by now. Miss Renee does not give up easily. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead, finish peeling these, and then I'll come back, and then I'll show you what the next step is going to be. But if you, like I said, if you haven't gone and checked out Lovey at L&L Honeycomb Homestead, you need to get on over there and watch her recipe for making her lemon pepper. Alright guys, I'll be back to show you what we're going to do next. Guys, I have peeled all my lemons, and as you can see, I scraped them and got as much as the white off. As you can see, this pile of white is bitter, bitter, bitter. We don't want that in our lemon pepper seasoning. So we put that off to the side. So I have left over 10 lemons and I have 2 limes. So what I'm going to do is I have put all my lemon peels on my dehydrator, as you can see. So I'm going to be putting those in my dehydrator. And then the next step I have to do is that we have to cut our lemons. And we want to try to cut the lemons as thin as possible. super thin. We don't want no big hunks. No thick slices, thin as can be. And if you come up to a seed like this, you just take your knife and you just take it out. And that's what I do. Just take them out and put them to the side and lay it down. Then I continue to cut the rest of my lemons as thin as I possibly can. You need a nice sharp knife so you'll be able to get those thin slices. And so here you go, and I just kind of like fan them out on my cutting board so I can make sure I get all the seeds out of there. And once I see the seeds, then I start taking them out. And once I get all the seeds out, then I'm going to put them on my other dehydrating tray. And you see I've already got some of them already done. So I'm going to go ahead and finish getting all these cut up, put them on my dehydrating trays, and then they're going into the machine, baby, so we can get these dried out. And then part 2 will be taking the dehydrated lemon peels and limes and the lemon slices, and we're gonna grind them all up. Woohoo! And that's when the lemon pepper will be born. All right, guys, so let me finish doing this, and when I'm all finished, I'll come back and show you all of my trays, and then I'll say part 2 to making that beautiful, delicious lemon pepper, to make some lemon pepper wings. All right, you guys, let Miss Renee get done so we can get to the finish line. All right, see you in a minute. I have my lemon peels, and I also have my lemons in the dehydrator. All right, I'm gonna go plug it in, and I'll see you in part 2 when all these lemon peel, limes, and lemon slices are ready to come out the dehydrator. All right, guys, are you excited about making lemon powder? Well, lemon pepper powder. Woohoo, because I know I am. My mouth is watering on the anticipation of some lemon pepper wings. All right, guys, off we go to plug it in and get these things dehydrated. Don't forget, check out my girl, L&L at Honeycomb Homestead, because she has beautiful content over there, and she also has that fabulous recipe for lemon pepper seasoning. So go check her out and tell her that Miss Renee from Renee's Garden sent you her way. All right, Lovey, we coming your way, girl. Take care.